This is the remaining lecture of class 10 physics. In this lecture, we will discuss about very important and very conceptual topic, that is lateral inversion, and also we will find out the relationship between radius of curvature and focal length for a convex and concave mirrors. Just see what is the concept of lateral inversion. In lateral inversion, suppose you are standing in front of plane mirror and just observing your right hand, then the movement in the image that found in plane mirror will appear as left side. When you just move your right hand, then it appears or it becomes the movement of left hand in the plane mirror. Same as when you just move your left hand, then the movement of the image in the mirror will be appears what? Right hand. This type of change in the image sides and object sides, that makes the concept of lateral inversion. So lateral inversion means when right side of an object appears left side in image found by plane mirror, and left side of an object becomes right side in image formed by plane mirror. Then this type of changes of sides, this type of changes of sides of an object and image is defined as lateral inversion. Very important concept this one, because the application of this one in our real life, you are knowing the word ambulance written in reverse order and also in inverted form. Whenever we just see the image of that ambulance in rear view mirror, then the exact ambulance appears. This is only on behalf of reflection concept. And another example, just if we take an object just like this, this is object and having here written what? Red, and when we take the image of this object in the plane mirror, then this R having here in left side, then this appears in the image, that will be what? In right side, and the right side, that is D, appears in the left side. You see how this is possible? This is the left side, so in right side, so in the R, and this one next E, and the last that appears in the first. This is the right side in object conditions, and this is the left side in image condition. In this way, the image of red appears in the plane mirror. And the next one is what? Relation between focal length and radius of curvature. Very simple concept, because we are knowing either convex mirror or concave mirror, both are the part of hollow sphere, and hollow sphere we all are knowing from previous concept, either by mathematics concept or by physics concept. Sphere means having a center and radius and also diameter. So radius means what? Just double the diameter, and here diameter means the representation of the radius of curvature whenever taken twice. Then the focal length, if representing by f, then f is equal to what? R by 2. R is equal to 2f. With the help of this formula, and earlier we discussed about mirror formula and magnification, we can solve out so many numerical that is based on either convex mirror or concave mirror. Just listen again about the topic. Lateral inversion means whenever the left side of an object appears in the image as right side, and right side of an object appears in the left side in the image with the help of reflection, and reflection here due to plane mirror. So lateral inversion based on which phenomena? That is reflection of light. And the relation between focal length and radius of curvature, that is just similar to the relation between radius and diameter of hollow sphere, and here focal length is half of the radius of curvature. Suppose radius of curvature is given 20 cm, then focal length will be 10 cm. If focal length is 10 cm, then radius of curvature will be 20 cm. That's all for today. Thank you.